Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, is brought to you by Acello Raceware. Race, wrench, repeat. And by Dynabraid, the first choice for abrasive power tools today and tomorrow.
Well, I bet you're wondering one thing. Why? Well, the answer is because I can. And the reason I can is because this is a workbench from DragonfireTools.com. And I gotta tell you, these things are super strong. The drawer fronts, 14 gauge powder coated steel, and the drawer bodies, 16 gauge galvanized steel. The drawer bottoms are gusseted, and that means single railed drawers can hold 200 pounds, and the drawers with 2 rails can hold 400 pounds, even when you extend them all the way out. Let's talk about the top. The top is made from 14 gauge 304 stainless steel, so in short, that means it's tough and it's corrosion resistant. And check this out, Dragonfire Tools thought of everything. Electrical outlets and USB ports built right in. We use ours every single day to charge all kinds of tools and to power everything in the shop. But don't stop with a workbench. Outfit your entire workshop at DragonfireTools.com. Now, Dragonfire has upper wall cabinets to go above your workbench. And if you want to make a whole system for your shop or garage, you can get some great looking corner cabinets to tie it all together. One for the upper cabinets, one for the lower. You'll be amazed at how much extra storage space you get out of those too. And speaking of extra storage space, Dragonfire Tools has a locker cabinet. And check this out. How about a 22 drawer roll around? Cabinets above for storing bigger stuff, and drawers in a number of different sizes to store all of your gear below. And let me tell you, Dragonfire Tools workbenches store way more than I could have ever imagined. First of all, the drawers extend fully, so there's no lost space like a lot of other workbenches and toolbox, and you can access everything in the drawer. And even the smallest drawers are tall enough to handle your deep well sockets standing up. Talk about a space saver. And we fit all of this into just 6 drawers of a Dragonfire Tools workbench, probably what you'd have in 2 or 3 toolboxes right now. And get this, we still had 14 drawers left over. You can get a Dragonfire Tools workbench in lots of configurations to suit your needs. Our workbench is 9'4¼ inches, and that's the 20 drawer model. You can also get it with 18 or 30 drawers as well. The Dragonfire workbenches also come in a 7-foot version, and that's super flexible too, available with 12, 17, or 24 drawers. Now consider all of those features and add some heavy-duty casters, and now you can take all of your tools right to your project. No more walking back and forth. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, workbenches from Dragonfire Tools will change everything. Find your perfect workbench at DragonfireTools.com, and don't forget to enter promo code Motorhead for a discount and free shipping. Well, they say the proof is in the pudding. Here's your pudding. Take a look at this RAV4 before we got to it with AG products. Filthy, but once we spent about 10 minutes on it, very little effort. AG products took care of all that dirt, Dave. How did you do it?
Yeah, so you always start with your basis, whether you're just doing a simple wash or you're doing a lot of buffing and clay barring. You always start with the foam soap first. That just gets everything, all the grit and grime off. If you have some stubborn bugs, it's that bug remover you want to put on first before you move on to the unicorn foam soap.
And then once you get the unicorn foam soap on, you've got a nice clean there that's going to last you a while. Maybe every couple of weeks you want to wash the car or something like that. Correct. What if you're doing some touch-ups in between? You want to roll out just to go cruising or go to a car show or something like that?
Yeah, just your car show, your Sunday driver, you only put a couple thousand miles on a year. That's going to be that waterless wash, so you're not getting into those older seals. You can just quick wipe on, wipe off. It's good to go to the car shows. And a good maintainer, it'll keep that water beating off throughout in between washes. That's going to be our strawberry lemonade spray and wax.
All right, and it smells great too, by the way.
It does smell really good.
Indicate. So just as the unicorn foam soap is the go-to for the exterior, what's the go-to for the interior?
Yeah, you always want to start with the all-purpose cleaner, the Twisted Apple. Again, in the interior, it's a quick little basis to get things going. Move on to your add-ons after you get that basis clean. Leather conditioner, got your glass cleaner, and then you finish lining it up with the diamond glans.
I know we ran through this kind of quickly, but we could because this system is just that easy. You can find all of this at shopagproducts.com. You can get the kind of clean that we have here on this RAV4 and more. All right, well, that's going to do it for this episode, and we're going to do it again next week, of course, and we hope you join us then. In the meantime, if you have a product you want to see featured here on the show, email me, Dave at motorheadgarage.tv. We'll get you here in the studio to show it off. From our entire crew here at Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, we'll see you next week. So long.